In our previous videos on extension, we talked about how to use black box to ask a question on how to write table. So this video we're going to be talking about how to write table. So for us to start, we need to know the different tags involved in writing a table. So in writing a table, we have the initial table tag that starts up the table. For now, we have to delete all these other ones. We don't need them, and so we could have space for a table. Okay, so after defining the table tag, what do we need now? We now need to define the table row and the table data. So the table row is going to be a row and the table data is going to be in columns. Okay, so we have something like this. So table rows and table columns. Table data occupies the columns, while the table row occupies the rows. Okay, so let's go back to our code and let's paste in some data here. Okay, so this is our table and this is our table row. So for our table row, inside we have the table head, and this table head is going to be the head of our table. So let's see what we mean by that table head. So this is our table head now. Sorry, our table head is company, contact, and country. Now, if we check now, company, contact, and country. So the ones with the TH have tick fonts. So they becomes tick. So you can easily determine that this is a table head, and a table head. So this is the table row, and this is what is filled in the table row. So each sorry, the table data inside the table row. So I advise you to practice more on table so that you can get a full understanding of how the table works. So first of all, we have our table tags, then we declare table row. So each table row talks about what is going to be here, 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 or how many rows, as much rows as you want to create. Now, is in each table row, meaning in each row like this, do you want a table head? So if you want a table heading, you go for the th tag and you declare the 3 table headings you want, and they will just go in a row separate from each other. Then if you want table data under the headings, you go again in the next row, which is beneath this. You create another row and you put in the data. So that is just the meaning of this whole thing that is here. So if you don't understand, I invite you to practice more, and you can also visit W3 Schools for more information on tables